Hey guys, how's it going? Today I just want to do a quick review for you guys on the Milliard Premium Folding Bed. I should mention too that I found a pretty good deal on this, and I'll throw a link in the description below so you guys can check that out. So I was looking for a guest bed, something that was sturdy and strong and it could roll away, and it wasn't super expensive either. So I settled on this one, and I'll tell you right off the get-go, I really like it a lot. It comes with a very nice memory foam mattress. It's very comfortable. The frame itself is built very well. It's all metal. It feels very sturdy when it's in its down mode. It doesn't creak or rickety or anything like that. And when it's folded up, it's just a foot thick, which is really nice. You can stuff it in a closet. It rolls away really easily. The casters and the wheels are good. I'll tell you, memory foam mattresses have made these rollaway beds a lot better because you can get a more comfortable bed with less space on them. 5-inch or 6-inch spring bed is not very comfortable. You're talking like those sofa style beds, whereas with memory foam, a 5-inch or 6-inch memory foam bed is still very comfortable. So you can have a nice foot thick folded up bed that rolls away that's actually comfortable. Assembly was very easy, no tools or anything. You just pop the wheels on and it's done. It literally took 30 seconds to assemble this thing. The memory foam mattress also does come with a removable cover, which you can zip off and wash if need be. And the mattress is supported by it's almost like a cot style. It's like a trampoline style with springs all around it, so it's very comfortable. There's no like wood slats or anything like that, so you're getting almost like 2 layers of support. You got your memory foam bed mattress itself, and then the cot gives you a little extra spring in it. It's actually surprisingly comfortable. It's 75 inches in length, which is like your standard queen size, and 32 inches wide, I believe. So it's a little thinner than some. Obviously this is just for one. But it's very comfortable and it rolls away nice, and I really love it. So if you have any more questions about it or anything like that, just leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, guys, and have a great day.